Nepenthes spectabilis, a striking carnivorous climber, FAQs by Ferb. For those fascinated by the unique and the predatory, the Nepenthes spectabilis is a plant that ignites curiosity. These carnivorous marvels have captured my imagination for years, and I've learned a lot about their cultivation and care. So, if you're considering welcoming a Nepenthes spectabilis into your home, or are simply curious about this captivating species, here are some frequently asked questions to quench your thirst for knowledge. See more 207 species in genus Nepenthes at monsteraholic.com. What is a Nepenthes spectabilis? The Nepenthes spectabilis is a climbing pitcher plant native to the highlands of Sumatra, Indonesia. It thrives in cool, humid environments, typically found at elevations between 1,400 and 2,200 meters above sea level. This tropical beauty is known for its stunning pitchers, modified leaves that transform into elaborate traps for unsuspecting prey. How does the Nepenthes spectabilis capture prey? The pitchers of the Nepenthes spectabilis are like deadly works of art. They come in vibrant greens, often speckled or striped with captivating patterns. The upper portion, called the peristome, is a slippery rim that lures insects in. A sweet-smelling nectar also acts as an irresistible invitation. Once an insect enters the pitcher, the downward-pointing hairs prevent escape. The pitcher then secretes digestive enzymes, slowly breaking down the trapped insect and absorbing its nutrients. What are the different forms of Nepenthes spectabilis? The Nepenthes spectabilis exhibits some interesting variability. Different locations within its native habitat produce plants with slight variations in pitcher size, color, and markings. Some popular forms include the giant form, known for its particularly robust pitchers, and the Sibuyetan form, which boasts a more compact size and reddish hues. How does the Nepenthes spectabilis compare to other Nepenthes varieties? There are over 170 recognized Nepenthes species, each with its own unique characteristics. Compared to some of its flashier cousins, the Nepenthes spectabilis might seem less flamboyant. However, its beauty lies in its subtle elegance. The speckled pitchers and the striped peristome create a captivating visual texture. Additionally, the Nepenthes spectabilis is generally considered easier to cultivate than some of the highland Nepenthes varieties, making it a good choice for beginner carnivorous plant enthusiasts. What are the ideal growing conditions for a Nepenthes spectabilis? To keep your Nepenthes spectabilis thriving, it's crucial to mimic its natural cool, humid environment. Here are the key factors to consider. Temperature. Aim for temperatures between 65 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius, during the day, with a slight drop at night. Humidity. High humidity is essential. Ideally, you want to maintain a humidity level above 70%. Terrariums are excellent options for achieving this. Light. Provide bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight that can scorch the leaves and pitchers. Water. Use only distilled water or rainwater to avoid mineral buildup. Keep the potting medium moist, but not soggy. You can also add a small amount of clean water directly to the pitchers. Soil. A well-draining, airy mix is crucial. Sphagnum moss is a popular choice, often combined with perlite or orchid bark for added drainage. How do I care for my Nepenthes spectabilis? With proper care, your Nepenthes spectabilis can reward you with years of fascinating growth. Here are some basic tips. Feeding. While your plant can obtain some nutrients from its prey, occasional feeding with crushed bloodworms or diluted orchid fertilizer can be beneficial. Repotting. Repot your Nepenthes spectabilis every 1 to 2 years or when the pot becomes crowded. Use a slightly larger pot with fresh potting mix. Pruning. You can prune your plant to encourage bushier growth. Just be sure to sterilize your pruning tools before cutting. Where can I buy a Nepenthes spectabilis? Nepenthes spectabilis plants and seeds can be found online through reputable carnivorous plant nurseries or specialty stores. Be sure to choose a reputable vendor that prioritizes ethical sourcing and sustainable practices. Conclusion. The Nepenthes spectabilis is a captivating carnivorous plant that combines beauty with intrigue. By understanding its needs and providing the right environment, you can cultivate this unique specimen and witness the wonders of its predatory nature. With a little dedication, you can create a thriving home for this otherworldly wonder.